Strategies to improve employee morale. The workplace is a complex environment where different personalities and opinions may clash. Therefore, it is essential that HR managers pay attention to employee morale and put measures in place to ensure the best possible working environment. To help out, here are some strategies to improve employee morale in the workplace. Communicate openly and often. Managers must communicate regularly with their employees, individually and as a group. This can be done through regular check-ins or one-on-one meetings, which will help managers stay informed about any issues or concerns their employees may have. Show appreciation. Showing appreciation for your employees' hard work is one of the most effective ways to boost morale in the workplace. Employees need to know that their bosses recognize their efforts and are not taking them for granted. This can be done by providing rewards such as gift cards or bonuses and public praise during team meetings. Doing so will make employees feel valued and appreciated, making them more productive and fulfilled at work. Create fun events. Organizing fun events like team lunches or birthday celebrations can also contribute to employee morale in the workplace. These activities allow everyone in the office to get together outside regular working hours. They can also help strengthen relationships among colleagues who may not have interacted much before. This can ultimately lead to better team collaboration, improving overall productivity. Taking these steps will ensure that your team remains happy and productive while maintaining a professional atmosphere at all times. If you want to learn more about employee satisfaction and employee engagement, please click the links in the description. And also give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. We'll be back with another exciting video soon. Bye-bye for now.